Good day everyone. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the faceplate and the backplate of the PlayStation 5, which is very useful for cleaning or swapping purpose. For all we know, there are lots of plates with varying color from the aftermarket and also the official one from Sony. What we do here is simple. What I've got here is the digital version of PlayStation 5, but I think that this version is just about the same. Okay, first, to open the faceplate, you look at the PlayStation logo here. This is the faceplate, and then you grab it up and then you push it back or down. It's quite scary at first, but I think with just a little bit of force you can use it. You can open it very fast. And then this is the face side. There are no SSD NVMe slots, so we'll try to open the back side. This is the back side, which you're gonna need to pull from the same side as the logo. This one, you pull it from the same side and then you drag it downwards. Simple and easy. Next step, I'm gonna show you how to add NVMe storage to PlayStation 5. Okay, let's continue with installing NVMe SSD on the PlayStation 5. What you need basically, a PlayStation 5, of course, a Phillips screwdriver, and then PCI Gen for SSD NVMe. What I've got here is from ADATA XPG Gammix S70 blade. This is probably the cheapest NVMe SSD in Indonesia. So without further ado, let's try to open up the SSD. The packaging is very simple. This is a cardboard box without nothing inside, and then there's the plastic case to hold the SSD in place, and then you got also the heatsink. It's a very thin heatsink from what I know. The first version, the non-blade version, has a much larger and thicker heatsink. Okay. Okay, I forgot to add, before you buy any NVMe SSD, make sure that it comply with the requirement from the Sony official site. So basically it gotta be a PCI Express Gen 4 with minimum speed of 5,500 Mbps or something. I think that's basically it. And also Sony recommended that you have an additional heatsink to control the temperature of the SSD. Okay, move on to the installation. I just told you how to open the backplate of the PlayStation 5. It's very simple. You grab the corner with the PlayStation logo, both in front and back, and if you want to open the back, it's the side across the logo. Then you pull it up and then you drag it down. Nice. That's simple. This is where the NVMe SSD will rest. Okay.
Phillips screwdriver, you can open the SSD slot. Then you can just install it with or without the heatsink. Sony recommends that you use the heatsink in the lower size or the lower height than the SSD slot, so you can use heatsink no longer than just about half or 1 centimeter height. There you go.
So if everything goes smoothly and you have successfully installed the SSD on your PlayStation 5, the moment you turn it on, there are gonna be this message on your television. So we'll continue with formatting the M.2 SSD. After this, the PlayStation will also check the speed of your newly installed SSD. Yep, I think that's about it. It's just about the same with the ADATA spec sheet. So there you go. You've got your SSD installed, and then you can copy and move games, or you try playing games. Thank you for watching.